Hello, I received your question. I guess you got 12 scores here showing. You went ahead and found the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. And you want to find a 95% confidence interval for the population mean here. So I put the formula here. It's going to be the mean plus and minus the error, where this gives you the error, which will go in here. And so the mean you've already calculated. It's 909.9 minus, and you don't have to find a z-score here, and that got a 95% confidence interval, and so you don't have to find z sub c just like you did on the previous problem, except for it's 95%. Then times s, which you've already calculated, 304.3 over the square root of n, and I guess n is what, 12 for this problem. You got I think 12 numbers up here, so it gives you this. You'd already calculated those two numbers, and so you just need to figure out z like you did the previous problem, and change the minus to a plus to give you the second part. I hope this helps.